Hey everyone, welcome back to Prosper Learn Hub. Today, we'll explore a simple yet effective way to make money online through surveys. Stick around to discover how you can turn your opinions into cash in just a few easy steps. 1. Sign up for survey websites. First things first, sign up for reputable survey websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Pinecone Research. Registration is usually free and straightforward. 2. Complete profile surveys. Once registered, fill out your profile surveys. These help match you with surveys that align with your interests and demographics, increasing your chances of qualifying for more surveys. 3. Regular check-ins. Make it a habit to check these survey platforms regularly. New surveys are often added, and being quick to respond increases your earning potential. 4. Refer friends. Many survey platforms offer referral programs. Invite friends and family to join using your referral link, and you'll earn a little extra for each person who signs up. So, there you have it, a quick guide on earning money through online surveys. It's a simple way to make some extra cash in your free time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Happy surveying!